Hey folks, look at this epoxy project. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how we created this piece. This is an easy step-by-step process that you can do yourself in your own space. Many folks choose their own colors for their own design and they can't believe their results even on their first time. We were so happy with the outcome of this project, it looked like the overhead satellite view of a tropical storm. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Don't forget, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again. You can see our first step is mixing up our Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. What we've done here is we've mixed up our metallic colors, Crater Lake Blue, as well as real teal. We like to start with a board of MDF and we painted it with Paint and Primer in 1 tinted in Suede gray. We added some white to our epoxy and here we're using our 1/8 by 1/8 square notch trowel and we're spreading it evenly over the surface. You don't need a lot of epoxy, about 3 ounces per square foot. Next, we'll use a chop brush to chop the surface. This is an easy process as well. Also brush those edges with long horizontal strokes, then you're ready to torch the bubbles out. During this project, we were teaching a class how to use our products, many of them who've never used our stuff before, and this torching process was fun to them. They saw that the bubbles popped very easily, it was safe to do, our products are eco-friendly with 0 solvents, so they're not flammable. Our next step will be using a normal paint stick and add some of those metallic colors randomly on the surface. We love that real teal, and that new Crater Lake Blue is very amazing.
Can you tell I like our new colors? Mm-hmm. Chris, are you recording this? I mean, yeah, where's Chris? Yes, he is. Good job, Chris.
Next, we're going to use multiple different shades of blue spray paint. Light blues and dark blues, and we're going to drag those through the surface. We're also going to use a little bit of green. We like sage green for this recipe, and we're going to use black and white. We like to do long horizontal strokes through the surface of this piece, and then we're going to use gravity to our advantage and make this look like true sediment. Look at how it's coming out, and this is just the beginning. In our next step, we're going to use our extra white tinted epoxy and pour that out randomly on the surface of this project. We like to use our torch to move color, and when we do this, we simply get in there, start moving the color, and as it moves, we back that torch off, and it looks really nice. It's a lot of fun to layer different techniques and different colors on your project. Next, we're going to use some isopropyl alcohol mixed with our metallic powder, and we're going to spritz this on the surface. This creates organic little dots and divots that will push color out and make it look like stones are embedded in this surface. Because of the different ingredients in our recipe, that spray paint and the alcohol and the epoxy, they like to fight each other. They don't want to mix. This is part of the reason you get those real natural looks. So when you do your second coat, your clear coat with our normal Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy, everything's going to lay out nice and flat. So on this first coat, we really don't care how flat it is. We're just going for color effects. It's good to step back once in a while, look at your piece, and really move anything that may be sticking out to you as unrealistic. We can use our finger, use our torch, use a paint stick, just use any method you like to create more natural effects. Here what we're doing is just dragging our paint stick through that alcohol to get it to spread out a little bit and look like a vein. Next, we're going to tilt this piece.
I'll tell you when. Stop.
Tilting the project gives really good results because everything really starts to move with gravity together. It makes it look truly like sediment stone. For the finishing touches, we use any method we'd like to really get in there and move our shapes around so they don't look man-made. The outcome of this project certainly speaks for itself. We had a great time making this, the class learned a ton of new techniques, and the color came out outstanding. To learn more epoxy tips and tricks, we'll see you guys on the next video. You got this. Visit stonecoatcountertops.com to see all the products used in this video.